everyone. Do you find yourself being stuck in your current real estate journey? Hi, my name is Rochelle with WREN Inspires. Great to see you and chat with you here. I'm actually with a great colleague of mine, Mercedes Torres out of Las Vegas. Yep, smoking hot Las Vegas. Have you ever found yourself stuck?
Totally. I've been doing this for about 16 years, and sometimes regularly, I get stuck. And sometimes I just can't find a way to get unstuck. So conferences like this is what I'm living off of, especially during these difficult times. It's so wonderful to log in to a place where there's so many other ladies doing the same thing and possibly feeling the same emotion of stuckness. So
yes,
get unstuck.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. And and we all are craving, I think, at the same time, the motivation to get unstuck, but the human connection again to get unstuck, so that you can go ahead and pick up a phone and say, hey, Mercedes, I got this going on. I've got this deal. I'm looking for money here. Do you know anybody that's looking for this, that, or the other thing? And that's all we need is somebody to say, oh, I can pick up the phone and call. That's being unstuck. So I love it. I love it. So our conference is coming up. It's Ignite. Please go visit reninspires.com. You can go ahead and purchase a ticket and come join us with a group of fantastic women. October 10th and 11th. So it's right around the corner. So if you're feeling stuck, hey, we got you. We'll get you unstuck. Mercedes, I love speaking to you.
Have a great day, ladies. Come get unstuck with us.
Love it. Thank you. Take care. Bye.